Hello everyone. In this video we're going to talk about simple factoring. Okay, so let's start with let's do something like this. Basically we're going to talk about something like this: x squared minus 12x plus 27, for example. Okay, so how we're going to factor that? The two key numbers to help us factor would be the 27 plus 27, the positive 27, and then the negative 12. So how we're going to use these numbers? We have to find, so as you know, you will probably think of two parentheses when you're going to try to factor. And you know that x squared is achieved by having the first term in each parentheses as x. Okay, so that should make sense. Now you're going to say, well, it looks like there should be numbers for the remaining terms in each parentheses, and you would be absolutely right. And how to figure out these numbers, this task rests solely on these numbers that we need to use, the negative 12 and the positive 27. So how are we going to use that? So 27 will be a product of the two numbers that we're missing in each parentheses, okay, the two remaining terms. So we have to find a product that will give us 27. So the factors of 27 when multiplied will give you 27. Okay, so let's think of factors. We have 1, 27, 3, 9, and I believe that's it. Okay, so 1 and 27 and 3 and 9. Now, we have to choose these factors, one of these pairs of factors whose sum will be negative 12. Okay? Well, keep in mind that you might say, but there's a negative 12, but here if we sum up the factors, it will give us either 28, 27 plus 1, or 9 plus 3 is equal to 12, but we don't get negative 12. Well, here's where the sign issue comes in, because we can also have minus 3 and minus 9 as factors of 27, right? Because minus 3 times minus 9 gives us positive 27. And the sum of that will be negative 9 plus negative 3 is equal to negative 9 minus 3. And that is equal to, bingo, negative 12. Exactly what we're looking for. Okay? So I'm going to write here that this is a product of two numbers that we are looking for, and this is the sum. The sum and the product. Okay? So what we want is simply minus 3 and minus 9. And if you use the FOIL method, you will get x squared minus 9x minus 3x plus 27, and that will give you x squared minus 12x plus 27. Okay, let's do one more like this. Let's try this. X squared plus 7x plus 12. So here you're going to look at 12 factors of 12 whose sum will be 7 and whose product will be 12. So what are those factors of 12? We have 1 and 12, we have 2 and 6, we have 3 and 4, right? Now, which sum of these pairs gives you 7? 1 and 12 gives you 13, so that's incorrect. 2 and 6 gives you 8, not 7. 3 and 4 gives you 7. Good. So as a result, what we need is, having the x's written here, we need x plus 3 and x plus 4, these two factors, because their sum will give you 7x, right, plus 4x plus 3x, 7x, and the product of these two numbers, 3 and 4, the factors of 12, exactly gives you 12. Okay, Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. We're going to talk about different factoring types of problems.